Hello everyone, welcome to another affiliate tutorial. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to create AliExpress affiliate link. Now, this is very simple. Obviously, first, make sure to join AliExpress portals.aliexpress.com. Here you can actually join the affiliate program of AliExpress. Now, after you join affiliate program, as you can see, you will need to go to the ad center, and then from there you will see the deep link URLs, which is right here, right? And then as you can see, what you'll need to do is you will need to find a product that you want to promote. So let's say this is the product. You will need to copy the link of that product, right? So you'll have to get a link of that particular product, and you will need to paste it into the page URL. Here, you can also insert the tracking ID, and then once you're done, you can get the tracking link. This is how it's going to look like. As you can see, you have page URL, and then you have insert tracking ID. Just make sure it's an ID, and then get tracking link. From there, as you can see, you'll be able to basically go and get a link, which is an HTML code right here. You'll be able to copy this, and once you copy this, you'll be able to put this on your website, and basically this is how you can create successfully AliExpress affiliate link. It's very simple. Then all you have to do is just copy the code to a button on your page and then connect it with a button, or connect it or link it to a button as well. So that's how you can create AliExpress affiliate link. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.